Hi, Next Element here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to set up and run a Terraria server. First off, you need to make your port forward so people can connect. If you have D-Link, go here. If you have Linksys, well, it's kind of hard to explain because when I had one, it just simply didn't work. I'm going a bit fast, so if you need to slow down, just pause the video. So this is going to be your port, your forwarding. Just putting it as 25567 for video purposes, but it can be anything. So that's my IP address, as you can see right here in this line right here. That's my IP address. Now, once you do that, you need to make sure it's enabled here, and then go back up to the top, say save. After 15 seconds, I can show you how to make sure that your IP is always the same no matter what. I can't do that for the public, but I can do that for the local at least. So you go to Setup, Network Settings, and then from here, just select your computer from the list. Once you've done that, all you have to do is right here, instead of whatever it has there, what you want to do is just set to the IP address that you want. It has to be after this point. You can only change it after that. But once you do that, click save, and then it'll go down here. Every single time you restart, it'll automatically be there. So that's that. Make sure you close this, don't touch anything else, or it could do some bad things, including wipe your router clean to the point where you need to buy a new one. I've had that happen before. So, next thing up, starting the actual server. Start it. I have the most up-to-date ones here, so I will go and create a new one. Large world name tube. Oops, well, I messed the name up. Oh well. No. Ah. That could be one that was causing some lag. Underworld. That sounds fun. This is taking a really long time for some reason. I don't know why. There we go, almost done. At least creating the game. At this point, this is only creating the game, you haven't loaded it. So while that loads, I'm going to show you, if people want to connect, you have to go to whatsmyip.org, and the IP address right here, let's just get this out of the way, so IP address right here is the one that you're going to want to give to your friends so that they can connect. If they try to connect using the 192.whatever, it's not going to work. So, we're done here. We can go to, say, you can go up to 255. So, well, at least that's what the log says. Then we set 25567 to our port. So for password, let's just enter it for none. Once this finishes, then I can get into commands. So I'll start this up. Get ready. Should probably close this down. What's she doing? There. Okay, so the server is started now. As you can see, once you see that little thing right there, that means it's fully started and ready. This isn't starting for some reason. Well, it should be. Ah, here we go. Part 3, what the hell? Oh, it's just a randomized title, I see. Okay, so I'm just click multiplayer, join, that's my character. Now, with the character here, it'll be the same thing in single player. So whatever you do in single player, you can bring over into the multiplayer. I thought it was pretty cool. Port is 25567. Of course, there's no password, so it's not going to stop me. Oops, I messed up with the IP. There we go. There. So, here's that. I'll put this aside. Put this over here. Go help. Of course, this isn't all that there actually is. There's more commands, but I'm not really sure. Hold on. I can probably find them. Maybe not. I don't know why this is here. Anyway. Let's get back to this. Oh, I see. That's why I'm laggy. Okay, so help is what I just typed in. Playing. Oops. So it shows you who's connected, and it tells you the total amount of players connected right there. Oh, hold on, stupid slime. So, next command is clear. Clears the screen. Pretty self-explanatory. Next up is exit and exit no save. I don't recommend using the no save because anything that you do in the server, well, it won't save. Again, self-explanatory, but with the exit it will shut down and save at the same time, so you don't lose. A save command just saves the world. Pretty simple. After that, I'm going to clear the screen and hit help again. Okay. So now it's kick. And ban does the same thing, except ban makes sure that they can't join the server until they've been pardoned. Let's see, just kicks me from the server. Pretty simple, you can join right away. And then you're back in. Next up, version. Password, actually. There's no password set, so it tells you that. That sets the password. Oh, hold on. There, so now the password is now cool. Pretty simple. Time. That's the in-game time. So right now we're almost at noon. Port 25567 as we set earlier. Max players. So we set that also. You can set it to whatever you want. Again, same with the port, you can set that to whatever you want. Say. This tells everyone in the game whatever you want to say. Then again, server, can't say it back in here. Because then it'll show your name and then you can tell it wasn't actually real. Oh, looks like it actually shows you what I typed in there now. So next up is, let's see, message of the day. Right now, well, you get that point. It's kind of messed up, but so now we go MOTD again, and then it says what I set to right there. Next, dawn, noon. Again, it changes just the time. Dusk, midnight. Pretty easy. Oops. Now, for this, I have to find some water. Perfect. Right here. Let's break away this. And here I'll hit settle. Boom. All the water is stopped. For now. Eventually it will start flowing again. And then if it does, it will probably flow there and overflow a whole bunch of other ways, or it will just completely stop flowing it entirely. And that's cool, I guess. Oh, that really didn't help. Don't know why that's back. Oh, never mind. So as you can see, I already have a lot of items. That's, like I said earlier, just gets transferred over. That's pretty much it. Just gonna pause it so I can find. Okay, back. I found this. As you notice, it just randomly popped up. That's because I had to pause it. So cconfig, you can tell it the configuration file. I don't have it set up. Players, you can change the maximum number of players with the newest version. So it would be 1.0.6.1, I believe. So we can go down to port, and I'll go 25565. Oh, maybe it doesn't have those anymore. I don't know, let's try this. Yeah, apparently these aren't actual commands that work anymore. But, oh, no, never mind, that's actually the configuration file. I'll make another tutorial, or a part, no, actually, I don't know, hold on. I'll just exit that. Pretty much, it's easy, just uncomment these, where it says port and stuff. And then password goes with the password, pretty simple. Message of the day. Oops, let's undo that. World path, this just tells it where the world is. I'm just gonna keep it there. I'm guessing that's default. I'm guessing that'll work. I don't know. So I'm just gonna leave it commented, so it'll skip that. Auto create 3 creates a new world automatically. Blah blah blah. World name, all that stuff. This is a lot harder than actually using the server like I showed you. I would personally just say use what I showed you. Anyway, that's it.